In the year 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius buried the valley of Pompeii under fire and brimstone. 18 centuries later, a miraculous image sparked the construction of the great papal basilica known as Our Lady of the Holy Rosary of Pompeii. In a striking parallel, after Jacksonville's Great Fire of 1901, Italian immigrants came to the New World, bringing with them this Marian devotion. That same miraculous image is carved above these doors of this neo-Romanesque masterpiece, symbolizing this temple rising from the ashes. After we found the original architect's blueprints, the goal became to restore the church. Yes, to enhance what was there, but not to do our own thing, because the church is not ours, it belongs to the Blessed Virgin Mary. She wants this back.
We only have one problem at St. Michael's. There are too many people.
Jacksonville needs this new, larger church.
Our Lady of Pompeii is providing us with such a unique opportunity to build a church that will meet the needs of our growing community for generations to come.
The new Church of Our Lady of Pompeii will seat over 400 and will house one of only 2 official replicas of the miraculous image of Our Lady of the Rosary of Pompeii. Sitting in silence, you can almost feel the building whisper, "I want to be a Catholic church again." With your generosity and support, this will come to pass. Pompeii will rise.